Hey Artland, how's it going today? So today I want to show you guys how to do a cool underwater dinosaur drawing, and I'm going to try to say this right. It is called an ichthyosaurus. Now, this is definitely kind of like the first dolphin, even though it was a fish. Really cool looking dinosaur. So I want to show you guys how to draw this today. So let's get started. Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the prehistoric Ichthyosaurus. Now, that's definitely a crazy name to say, but this is kind of like a prehistoric fish, or kind of looks like a prehistoric dolphin almost. Now, to start off with our Ichthyosaurus, we want to begin with the eye. So starting right about here on our paper, you just want to make a small circle for the eye. And then right in the center, you can just draw a little dot for a pupil. Now, I'm going to make a little curved line above and below the eye, just to kind of show that it's sitting in the head. And then right here, I'm going to start by drawing a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then it's going to go out, and then it's going to kind of curve down. They have a really long nose. Then I'm just going to kind of bring this back, and I'm just going to kind of curve it down and up a little bit. Then starting here, I'm going to draw another line that goes down, and then it's just going to kind of curve back like this. And then I'm just going to kind of take this and curve it around for like the gills. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up, and then it's just going to come down like this. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it back up for the fin. Then you want to leave some space, so kind of jump over this, and you want to curve this up a little bit. They are kind of round. And then I'm going to just draw a smaller version of this. So I'm just going to kind of curve it down, and then bring it back up. Then I'm just going to kind of jump over it and make a nice long line out here, and then a nice long line right there. Then for the tail, I'm just going to draw a line that curves up. I'm going to curve it back down. And then I'm just going to add a line to connect it right there. Now their fin is kind of back here a little bit, so I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's just going to come down. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line right there. Now, let's add some details. So first I'm going to add a little curved line right there by the mouth. And then I'm going to fill up the mouth with these little tiny sharp teeth. They had really, really sharp teeth for hunting all their little fish and squid. Then right here I'm going to add a couple little extra lines just to kind of show where the gills are. And then I'm just going to kind of add another little extra line right by the eye. I'm going to add a little dot right here for the nose, and then just a little line kind of that curves back here. I'm going to add a long little line right there, and then just a couple little broken lines here. And then just a couple little broken lines right around here on the fins. I'm going to add a long line that curves down here, and then a long one up here. Then I'm going to add just a couple little broken lines right around the top and the bottom here. A couple little lines right by the fins. Little lines right by the mouth there too, just for some details. And then I'm just going to put a little broken line here, and then just a couple little kind of long broken lines right around the edge here. This is just going to kind of show that it is round and everything. A couple little lines right by the head. And there you go. There is your drawing of an ichthyosaurus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.